This ice cream brings so much childhood memories. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abele's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you Ghanaian coconut ice cream in 4 natural flavors. Abele was, as it is popularly called in Ghana. Let's get right into it. I'll first begin to crack the shell of my coconut. Please be careful when doing this step. I'm using a knife to do this. You can also use a hammer to do this step as well. I'm using 2 coconuts for this recipe. I'll carefully use a small knife to remove the coconut shell from the coconut fruit, and then I'll put it in a bowl. Please be careful when doing this step. Now that I have my coconut fruit, I'll take it over to my sink and then give it a rinse. We want a very nice and clean coconut. You can use a grater to grate your coconuts, or you can use a knife to cut it in small pieces. I'll then go ahead and strain the coconut water. It has some of the coconut shell particles inside, and we do not want that. The coconut fruit goes into my blender. I'll add in my coconut water and then I will blend. You can use a strainer to strain or a nut milk bag. I got this from Amazon. I'll try to leave a link to this in my description. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support and always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. I'm all done straining my coconut milk. I'll add in evaporated milk. I'll be using 2 cans of that. I also have condensed milk. I'm using 2 cans of that. Please make sure to scrape all the condensed milk out of the can. We need every bit of it. I'll add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and then I will mix very well and then set it on the side. I'll then divide my coconut ice cream mix in 4 unequal parts, but you can divide yours anyhow you want. To a bowl, I'll pour in 3.5 cups of my coconut ice cream mix and then I'll add in my strawberry puree. This is a blend of fresh strawberries and then I will mix. You can as well blend frozen strawberries if that is what you have. To a separate bowl, I'll pour in 3 cups of my ice cream mix and then I'll add in mango puree. This is from fresh mango and then I will mix. I'll set both on the side and then we'll mix the last flavor. I have here a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'll add in a few tablespoons of warm water and then I'll mix. I like to mix it this way to prevent lumps. I'll then add in about 4 cups of my ice cream mix and then I will mix. My cocoa powder is unsweetened. You can use Milo or Milo for this. I have here small cups and then I have my popsicle molds here as well. So I'll begin with the strawberry flavor. I'll be pouring it to the middle or halfway of the cup. I'll repeat the same step for the mango flavor and all the flavors. I'll then put in my popsicle sticks. You can find this at Amazon as well. And I'll be putting it just like so. You can put the ice cream just as it is, but I like to cover mine with aluminum foil to prevent freezer burns. And I find it to be neater if you do it this way. I'll then put everything on a tray and then I'll put it in my freezer for 6 to 24 hours. I'll now begin to pour all the flavors into the popsicle mold and I'm doing 3 slots for each flavor. If you don't have the popsicle molds, it's okay. You can pour it into cups and then store it into your freezer. I'll cover it with a lid and then I will put in my popsicle sticks and then I'll put it in the freezer for 6 to 24 hours. 24 hours later, our ice cream is ready. Abele was, as we call it in Ghana. In order to remove the ice cream from the cup, you need to sit the cup in water. It helps release the ice cream very easily. I'll give it a few turns and voila, we have our ice cream, Abele walls. This brings back so much childhood memories. Coconut vanilla flavor, mango coconut flavor. I have the chocolate flavor and strawberry flavor. So delicious. To remove it from the popsicle molds, you need to sit it in water as well to easily release the ice cream. And look at how delicious it looks, guys. This ice cream turned out so delicious. I always recommend you add natural flavors or natural fruits to your ice creams. Your children will get used to it and they will love it. Now I have my little daughter here to give you her review. Please listen to her. How is it, Gracie?
It's really good. And my mom is she made this for all our siblings. And I really, really love it. It's mango. And it's really good.
I know. This is your second one, right? Is that your third one? You had a strawberry one? And this, yeah, strawberry?
My second one. You guys? Make sure to like and subscribe and follow to Abele's Recipes and watch your latest video, the Disney one when we at Florida, and subscribe to it too and like. Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Thank you. God bless you. And until I see you on my next video, please stay blessed and stay safe. Bye guys.